So now I'm going to show you how to turn the percent into a fraction. So let's start with 65%. You can put this, there's two ways to do it. You can put this because it's two places, every percent is out of 100, very simple number, it was 2 digits. You can put it right over 100 and then simplify it, break it down, or since we're going to be doing this problem, I'm going to keep it consistent. We're going to do, so we have 65%, and the way to turn a percent into a fraction is you divide by 100%. Or you use the keep, change, flip method because you're dividing now. So that is 65% over 1, and then you're multiplying by 1 over 100%. So now when you simplify these, you look diagonal. Oh, look, 65 and 100 have something in common. So then you take both. 5, they have 5 in common actually. Both 5 goes into 100 20 times. And then 5 goes into 65 13 times. So then you're left with 13 times 1. So that's 13. And then you're left with 20 over 20. So the fraction for 65% is actually 13/20. Now we do the same thing for the fourth. Now we already have a fraction, so we can turn this in. So it's 1/4, so we have the percent, times 1 over 100. That's what we're going to end up doing anyways. Remember, we always keep, change, flip, and that's what we end up with. 1 over 100 at the end. So now, I can't simplify anything in between, so I'm just multiplying across. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 100 is 400. And the percents always cancel out because they're right there. So 1 over 400 is the fraction for a fourth percent. Now, we have 250%. So we take the 250%, put it over 1. Then we're going to multiply that by 1 over 100%. Then we simplify. All right. So what do they share? They share 100. So 100 goes into 100 once, and 100 goes into 250 25 times. So then when we go through this, we have 25. We multiply 25 times 1. And then we have 1 times 1 is 1. So this is just 25, the whole number. So now, this one right here, in order to make this a fraction, we have to first turn it into an improper fraction. So we have 3 times 83, that's 249, plus 1, 250. So we multiply, add. So keep your denominator. 249, when you multiply, add 1, 250%. And we're multiplying that by our 1 over 100%. And then from there, 100 and 250 share something, 100. So 100 goes into 100 once, 100 goes into 250 25 times. So then you have 25 times 1, 25, 3 times 1, 3. So then now we find how many 3's fit into 25. We go as close as we can go. Goes as close as 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So what is left over to get to 25? 1. So this is the fraction that represents 83 1/3%. So now we have right here 12.5%. Now 0.5 or 0.50 is the same as saying 50%, or like saying a half of a percent. So I'm going to convert this right away to 12.5%. Okay, so now I have to turn this into an improper fraction. So multiply, then add. Keep the denominator. 2 times 12 is 24, plus 1, 25. So I'm going to multiply that by my 1 over 100%. Keep it consistent. So now that we have this going on, 125 share something. They share 25. 25 goes into 25 once. 25 goes into 100 4 times. So now you have 1 times 1 is 1. And then 2 times 4 is 8. So the fractional part for this is 1/8. And that's how you turn a percent into a fraction.